Hi, I'm Danny with Wheel Technologies. Back in spring of 2019, we had a storm roll through Farmers Branch and it hit my building directly. Our TPO roof had blown back and rain had entered the building. We could actually see daylight through the roof. I went online, looked at hundreds of roofing companies, but 24/7 stuck out because their name, 24/7 Restoration. Made a call to them and they were out here right away to make whatever temporary repairs we need, protect us from future rainstorms until we could get a roof put on. After that point, it was mainly dealing with the insurance company, which was really rough because they really tried to beat me up on the claim. Greg worked with me extensively with the insurance company, educated me as to the way they think, the way they work, what they try to do, helped me in a lot of ways in that regard. I was able to get my claim paid, although it wasn't 100% of what we were wanting to get. Greg worked with me on the price, got it all taken care of for me, really did a great job. When they came out to fix my roof, they were very thorough. We were doing business at the time. They were very aware of that, and they kept everything clean, kept everything as noise-free as possible so we could do business. They were in and out of here in just a matter of a few days, fixed me up good as new. I would highly recommend, if you're looking for somebody to take care of you with your roof, especially if you're having issues with your insurance companies, and if I ever have another problem, they're going to be the ones I call. Give Greg at 24/7 Restoration a call. He'll take care of you.